Hi there, students. A stipend. And, well, I guess the adjective stipendiary, but I think you're only actually going to see this word in the phrase a stipendiary magistrate. Okay, a stipend is a salary. It's a regular payment that is made to somebody. But this is particularly for members of the church. So this covers their expenses and gives them money to live. This is the salary of a priest, so a priest's stipend. Or for a magistrate, a stipendiary magistrate. Let's see, most magistrates, they're sort of like a judge, but level down. They're not paid. They're members of the public who don't get paid. But there are some who do get paid, and this is a stipendiary magistrate. And this is a stipendiary, a magistrate who receives money. You could also use this word, a stipend, for the money that a student receives for their living expenses. So a scholarship for a student would be considered a stipend, or a student grant. These things don't exist anymore, do they? Would be a stipend as well. Money paid to a student to help with their expenses while they are at university. The lottery fund in the UK, they pay a stipend to various different charities or various different groups. They send money, they donate money, they give money to the various groups, and this again is a stipend. Okay, so a stipend, a regular payment, a periodic payment, especially for a scholarship, or the salary, particularly of a clergyman, a priest, or a magistrate, or somebody who works for the government. I think the word stipend is particularly commonly used for government employees. Yeah, people who work for the public service. So you receive a stipend for doing some sort of public service. It might be a pension as well, or an allowance, or a salary. It depends on the situation. A soldier might have a stipend, or a teacher or a professor at university may receive a stipend. Let's see. Nowadays, stipend, this is a posh word for a payment or a salary. Yeah. Okay, so a payment for but a regular payment, something that's made regularly on once a year or once a month or something like this. Okay, so it's a fixed regular sum as a salary, or to cover the expenses of a priest, of a teacher, of a public official. Do politicians receive stipends? Yes, they do, and probably they more than enough. So they receive a lavish stipend. You could use this just for a salary. It's probably just a very formal way of saying it. Okay, so stipend, formality. 7, informality, using a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. Semi-formal conversation, nah, it goes over the top. And as to origin, let's see, there's a Middle English word stipend, a salary or a wage, which comes from Latin stipendium, a contribution, a payment. okay, which comes from pendo, to weigh out. I guess this is weighing out the amount that you deserve. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Stipend, Stipendiary Magistrate.